Did you know some of your favorite foods might be making you age faster, gain weight, and even feel more tired? If you're eating these after 30, you need to stop. Stay tuned because number 7 will absolutely shock you. All right, let's jump into it, starting with number 1, fast food. Look, I get it. Burgers, fries, and nuggets are delicious, but they're also packed with unhealthy fats, high sodium, and processed ingredients that slow down your metabolism and increase your risk of heart disease. Eating too much fast food can also lead to bloating, sluggish digestion, and even skin problems due to excessive oil and salt. Instead, swap out greasy takeout for a homemade burger with lean meat or a plant-based patty. And for fries, try crispy baked sweet potato fries instead. Trust me, your body will thank you. 2. Soda and sugary drinks. If you're sipping on soda daily, you're basically pouring sugar straight into your bloodstream. This causes blood sugar spikes, energy crashes, and can lead to serious issues like diabetes and obesity. Not to mention, sugary drinks accelerate aging by breaking down collagen, causing wrinkles and dull skin. Instead, go for infused water with fresh fruit, or even sparkling water for that fizzy kick. 3. Breakfast pastries, donuts, muffins, croissants. They might taste great in the morning, but they're packed with sugar and refined carbs that cause an energy crash later in the day. Plus, regularly eating sugary pastries can increase your risk of insulin resistance, making it harder to lose weight. Swap them out for protein-rich oatmeal with fresh berries and nuts. It'll keep you full and energized for hours. 4. White bread may be soft and fluffy, but it's stripped of fiber and nutrients, making it a fast track to blood sugar spikes. Over time, this can lead to weight gain, cravings, and even digestive issues due to a lack of fiber. Instead, go for whole grain or rye bread. It's loaded with fiber to keep you full longer and support gut health. 5. Fried foods. Fried chicken, onion rings, and crispy snacks may taste amazing, but they're full of trans fats that lead to weight gain and inflammation. These unhealthy fats also clog arteries and increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. Switch to air-fried or grilled alternatives for that crispy texture without the guilt. 6. Processed meats. 7 artificial sweeteners. 8 flavored yogurt. 9 sugary cocktails. 10 frozen meals. Now, this next one might shock you. Number 7. Artificial sweeteners. You might think diet sodas and sugar-free snacks are better, but they actually confuse your metabolism and make you crave more sugar. Plus, some artificial sweeteners have been linked to digestive issues, bloating, and even negative effects on gut bacteria. Stick to natural sweeteners like honey or monk fruit instead. Let's speed things up. Here's a rapid-fire round of more foods to avoid after 30. 11. Chips. High in sodium, bad for your heart. Swap for air-popped popcorn. 12. Ice cream, sugar overload. Try frozen banana ice cream. 13. Granola bars, packed with hidden sugars. Make your own with nuts and honey. 14. Store-bought salad dressings, hidden calories. Use olive oil and lemon juice instead. 15. Instant noodles, full of preservatives. Go for whole grain pasta or veggie noodles. 16. Canned soups, loaded with sodium and preservatives. Choose homemade soups with fresh ingredients. 17. Margarine. Contains unhealthy trans fats that raise bad cholesterol. Use real butter or olive oil instead. 18. Energy drinks. High caffeine and sugar cause heart strain. Opt for green tea or black coffee. 19. Deli meats. Packed with nitrates and sodium, increasing cancer risk. Choose fresh grilled meats. 20. Packaged snack cakes, full of preservatives, sugar, and unhealthy oils. Try homemade protein bars instead. 21. Fruit juices. Even 100% juice is loaded with sugar. Eat whole fruits instead. 22. Microwave popcorn. Contains artificial butter flavoring linked to lung issues. Use an air popper at home. 23. Sugary cereals. High in sugar, low in nutrients. Go for oats or whole grain options. 24. Flavored coffee drinks. Packed with sugar and calories. Choose black coffee or almond milk lattes. 25. Alcohol in excess. Can lead to liver damage, weight gain, and dehydration. Drink in moderation. 26. Restaurant pasta dishes. High in refined carbs and creamy sauces. Choose whole wheat pasta with tomato sauce. 27. Processed cheese. High in artificial ingredients and sodium. Stick to real cheese in moderation. 28. BBQ sauce and ketchup. Loaded with hidden sugars. Use homemade or sugar-free versions. 29. Packaged trail mix. Often has candy and added sugar. Make your own with nuts and unsweetened dried fruit. 30. High-calorie coffee creamers. Full of artificial flavors and sugar. Use unsweetened almond or coconut milk instead. Remember, it's not about cutting out everything you love. It's about making smarter choices. Your body deserves the best fuel, and little swaps can make a huge difference. Which food surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments, which food on this list do you eat the most? And what's your favorite healthy swap? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video that helps you live your best life. See you next time.